People can be so difficult to draw in the first place, but then you add a dynamic pose on top of that, and it can feel very overwhelming. I've unlocked the key to drawing poses, and I wanted to share it with you all. The secret is triangles. That's right, it's just triangles. So, let's discuss. A lot of tutorials will say that breaking a complex shape into smaller, simpler shapes can help with form, and that is absolutely spot on. That's what sketching is for, but picking the right shapes is the difference between a good foundation for line art and a bad one. I'm claiming that triangles are the best shape for breaking down the human form, and it feels like I'm going a little bit against the grain since the majority of tutorials that I was exposed to use cylinders as their basic shape. If you can picture and understand the cylinder as your base shape, then you really don't need me at all. I found that breaking down a complex 3D shape into another 3D shape didn't really help me understand what was going on. Any 3D shape gets a little bit complicated in my brain, so I wanted to find some good old 2D shapes, and in my case, the triangle is the best one. It's pretty basic. Every segment of the body gets its own triangle. The head, then the torso, hips are next. Use longer triangles for the thighs and the legs, and then you have the feet. See how each piece is just its own triangle? I just adjust the thickness and length depending on the body part. Arms are going to be the same deal. Upper arm is a triangle, the forearm is a triangle, and the hands get to be triangles. Just like that, I have a basic model. I put together this triangle concept when I was looking at fashion design art. These shapes can be found in fashion design in order to put together a quick model for your clothing design. It's a very easy sketch to lay down. It's so quick. That's good because it limits the amount of overthinking you can do. You'll have the sketch down on paper before you can really think about anything else, and that adds fluidity to the art. Now, the triangle for the head can end up being a simple circle or a square, whatever shape helps you the most. The head is not the biggest focus for this principle. We're thinking posing, right? So we're focusing on the body. The triangles are super customizable too. They work great for people with supermodel proportions or people with maybe wider hips. Someone with really wide shoulders, thin hips, maybe thick thighs. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is adjust the size of the triangles. My ability to draw poses without a reference has skyrocketed after putting this triangle principle together. Obviously, references do help with other aspects of art, so I do use them still. My point is simply that this process can help provide a solid template to start with. I hope that if you've been struggling to understand and implement other pose tutorials out there like I have, that this tutorial could fill in those gaps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to make sure that you're not missing any of the crazy things we get up to. And hit that bell so that you're double sure you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!